I don't change my hair care routine every season or every month. That's the reason why you guys don't get to see an updated hair care routine that often. The thing is, I do try new hair care products to see how they work for my hair, but only a few of them which I love and my hair loves stays as staple products in my hair care routine. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Mimi. So this video is about my updated summer/monsoon hair care routine. If you are an old viewer or if you are an old subscriber and if you have seen my previous hair care routine videos, then you know already the most of my favorite products, but also I have added a few more new products with them as well, which I'm gonna mention to you guys. And if you are watching me for the first time and if you are new here, hi. So first I'm gonna mention the new products which I have added recently, and then I'm gonna mention my staple hair care products, my old goodie favorite hair care products. So if you want to know what the new and the old ones are, then stay tuned. So the first new thing I'd like to mention is apple cider vinegar. If you are like me and if you don't use apple cider vinegar on your hair till now, then let me tell you, you are missing out like I was since I bought this and started using it on my hair. Especially if you have low porosity hair like me, as low porosity hair tends to get a lot of product buildup. I used to get that too, and since I started using apple cider vinegar on my hair, that it not only helped to get rid of all those product buildup from my hair, it also made my hair like super clean and soft as well, which I was amazed to what this thing can do. I take about this much apple cider vinegar in this container, and for the rest of the container I fill it up with simple normal water. Then I take the ends of my hair and I dip it inside the water, and finally I dump all of the water on my head. Then I leave it for 3 minutes, and after that I rinse my hair totally off with normal water. And I do this after I shampoo my hair. Seriously guys, this product is a lifesaver. If you don't like to use conditioner that much, then you can totally replace your conditioner with this apple cider vinegar, because it just works as a conditioner. So the next product is it's not a new one. I used this last year as well. This is the Khadi Amla hair oil. I bought this oil last year during this time, the summer and monsoon time, because that time I was facing a lot of dandruff and itchy scalp problem, and then I got my hands on this oil and I used this oil, only this one, on my scalp, and it helped to get rid of all the dandruff and itchiness like from the first wash. This oil seriously works like a magic. So this year around the beginning of summer, I got myself another bottle just to be prepared if I get itchy scalp and dandruff once again, which thankfully I didn't. So this oil is another new addition to my other oils as well. Last year I used only this one along with my castor oil on my scalp. This year I am mixing this with my castor oil along with my other Khadi oils as well, and also I add a few drops of my tea tree and rosemary essential oils, because they help to fight any scalp condition as well. Product is a shampoo. So as you already know, my favorite sulfate free shampoo is Khadi Amla and Bhringraj one. Recently I ran out of that one, so I bought this one, the Khadi Shikakai shampoo, and just like the Amla and Bhringraj one, this works perfectly fine for my hair. This is a strong one as well, so I dilute it with water and then I wash my hair and my scalp with this shampoo. Now one thing I like to mention, that a lot of people have asked me or have said me that the Khadi shampoos are drying on their scalp and their hair. Yes, the Khadi shampoos can be drying, because if you look at the ingredients of the Khadi shampoos, like the Shikakai one, the Amla and Bhringraj one, this contains pretty strong herbs like amla, Brahmi, Bhringraj, Rita, Shikakai as well. These herbs are pretty good for your hair, but they can be harsh and drying on your hair as well. So before buying and using these shampoos, I'd like to ask you guys to be sure what kind of hair you have. If you have, do you have oily hair, you have combination or dry hair? Because like on your skin, if you have dry skin, you won't be using a harsh heavy duty face wash or cleanser on your skin, would you? Because that would dry out your face. Just like that, you are not supposed to use a harsh and heavy duty shampoo on your dry scalp if you have dry scalp, because that will dry out your scalp and your hair. So these shampoos are specially for people who have oily or extra oily scalp and hair like me. So if you have oily hair, then only go for the Amla Bhringraj and Amla Shikakai shampoo, these things. But if you have combination or dry scalp, then I would suggest don't use these shampoos. If you want to use khadi shampoos, there are some other moisturizing and soothing khadi shampoos available as well, like the khadi lemongrass, khadi aloe vera, and khadi henna tulsi deep conditioning shampoos as well. Go for those ones and use those ones on your hair. So next I have another new shampoo. This is the Cheek Thick and Glossy Black shampoo, this one. So I ran out of the Cheek Egg White Protein shampoo as well, so I thought to buy this one. This claims to contain badam protein, black tea and bhringraj oil, and in the ingredient it says that it contains black tea leaf extract, hydrolyzed protein and bhringraj oil extract. So just like, and it smells exactly the same as the egg white protein shampoo. So the shampoo is in black in color, and also it is a lightweight shampoo. It's not super thick and sticky. And this is a sulfate shampoo, so I got this for like when I'm doing masks on my hair and I need something more heavy duty than a sulfate free shampoo. So for that I got this one, and I have used it by diluting it, and it works pretty good in terms of cleansing your hair, and it makes your hair like kind of soft, and the smell also stays in your hair after you wash your hair with this shampoo, just like the egg white protein one. So this is an okay product. So the last product I have is the Pantene oil replacement. I have done a full review of this product. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave the link in the description box and also at the end of this video. So if you want to, you can check that out. I don't use this product as a conditioner because this doesn't make my hair this does make my hair soft, but the softness doesn't stays for long hours, like for 2-3 days, like which my conditioner does. So in between my hair washing cycles, when I wash my hair only with water, then I use this product on the lengths and the ends of my hair. And in terms of making your hair soft, yes, it does makes your hair soft, but the softness doesn't last on your hair. So if you want your hair to be constantly soft and smooth, you have to use this every single day or every other day on your hair. So it's an average or okay kind of product, I think. So now let's move on to my staple or my favorite hair care products. So first I'd like to mention my all-time favorite sulfate free shampoo, the Khadi Amla and Bhringraj one, and also the Mira herbal hair wash powder. For oils, I think the Khadi vitalizing hair oil, I won't replace it with any other thing. I always have that one in my vanity. For conditioner, you already know Tresemme Keratin Smooth with Argan Oil. It is a superb amazing conditioner, not kidding. And for hair serum, L'Oreal Total Repair 5, because I have tried a few other hair serums, but the thing I like about the L'Oreal one is you apply it on your hair, it makes your hair soft, but you won't feel that you have serum on your hair, or it won't weigh down your hair. So that's the thing I like about the serum. So that was it. That is it for my updated hair care routine for now. if I change or if I add some new products, I will let you guys know. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye.